Hey everyone, it's JP here. No monkey business. Let's get straight to the point. We're talking about Gorilla Warflares today. A classic look, larger openings, and almost indestructible material make for the most durable Bronco flare on the market. They can be installed in the regular position for a classic look or for the extreme hardcore wheelers up to the body line. Customers have rolled, smashed, and destroyed their Bronco sheet metal, but found that the flare is just removable and reusable. You can't do that with fiberglass and other urethane flares on the marketplace. So these here are mounted, but just to show you how durable these are, let's take one that's not mounted. Look at this guy. Bend it straight in half, pops right back in. Now we only sell these in black, but if you want to, paint them to your preference. These come in a full set of 4, or you can buy the front or rear separately. This has been JP talking about Gorilla Warflares. If you're interested in our many other classic Bronco products, find us at wildhorses4x4.com or give us a call at 209-400-7200.